Hello everybody and welcome back to Syracuse Aviation. Before I get started, make sure you guys like this video down below and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So today we are finally back at home for spring break and I have an unboxing to start us out. So we just have one model in here and I bought this on eBay last week at some point, can't remember the day, but it's here now. Very excited. It's one that I've needed for a long time. Basically, I was always anticipating that NG was going to release it, and of course, NG being NG, they never really did, and with my luck, they'll probably release it pretty soon, now that I got this one, but that's okay. We'll probably still get that one and maybe keep this or replace it, don't really know, but this is a Panda Models aircraft. It's been a while since I've got Panda Models. It hasn't really been used at all, so that's nice. Whoever was selling it had a few of them, so I imagine they just bought a few and resold them for a little bit more. But the Sun Country 737-800 in the Tide Pod colors with splits. Now, Gemini did this. Two reasons I didn't get Gemini is because it had the 40 years of flight sticker kind of on the white area. Not big on that. Also, I think they're starting to get repainted now, so you have that. Also, I'm not a fan of Gemini's mold at all. It does seem like maybe they're trying to revise it and tweak it a little bit. Some of the more recent aircraft they've done on that mold have looked a bit better, but the Sun Country specifically just looked really bad. NG did the blended version, but I never really got around to getting that. That was a while ago, so this was the best opportunity. Here we go. Looks very nice so far. Let's get it open here. All the way around. Plastic off. And there she is. Color actually looks really nice. Looks very vibrant, pretty accurate too, so that's great to see. Especially now that Sun Country is flying to Syracuse. This was a necessity, so really happy to have this. Wasn't able to incorporate them into the airport updates last summer, but this summer should be able to do that. So let's see if I can prop you guys up at all. I'll use this piece of a terminal here, and I'll put the box on top. Maybe I can move you guys down. Yeah, I'll just move you guys down. Also, if you guys didn't see this yet, since we're filming right here, this is the new Concourse B that I had 3D printed at school, and looks really good. Very impressed with the quality. If you watched my most recent Syracuse Airport update, I did touch on this, but I never really showed it. So here's a little preview. Still have to paint it, still have to do some extra little details, but looks really nice. I mean, it's crazy to finally have a completely accurate 1:400 scale replica of that. And then, oh gosh, yeah, this is a mess. I'm sorry. This is Concourse A, totally just obliterated right now. So I'm gonna end up reprinting this as well. There's a few extra details I want to add. So lots to look forward to. But I digress. As per usual, happens like every video now. Nothing wrong with that, but it's not what you guys came for. So here we go. Sun Country 737-800 by Panda Models. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's actually really good. I mean, I was expecting it to be good, but just, gosh, man, it's really solid. I better check if it's broken. It's not. It's not. Nothing's loose. Yeah, this is beautiful, guys. If you can pick this up, definitely do so. A little bit goofy on the landing gears. The hubcaps are like a metallic gray. On the main gears at least. A little bit chunky looking, and they don't roll either. I don't really care about that aspect, but just the gray is a little bit weird. So maybe they're like that in real life. I actually don't know. So they probably are, because when you look at hubcaps, they're usually dirty or something. So but yeah, really, really nice plane. It's very similar to NG, I would say. The nose gear door is a little bit goofy, like tilted up. It's kind of funny. The nose gear rolls, interesting. Overall, it's good. Very impressed with the colors. You know, it's not by any means NG quality, but it's pretty close. It's between Gemini and NG, I would say, actually. The splits are a little bit interesting. No one can really get the split scimitars perfect, but they're okay. So again, the main thing was just getting a Sun Country model, standard livery, splits. You know, no 40 years of flight sticker, and this is the only one there is currently. So solid, really good aircraft to have until NG releases one. If they do, definitely pick that one up. So do a quick little spin around for you guys, details, in depth, whatnot. I was concerned that the windows would actually be like too high, or like they would be slanted funny, but they're actually pretty good. They look pretty good, so it's great. You got your baggage doors on this side as well. Yeah, I love the blue lines too. That's amazing. One of my favorite details on this livery. Plus the orange. Sun Country, just such a cool... It's my channel logo. Of course I'm going to like it. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool. Very, very nice. So, you know what? Let's see about putting them at gate 27. So this is the new jet bridge that hasn't been... Gate 27 used to be used back in the 1990s, I think, and then they closed it, and they recently expanded it and put a jet bridge on it. So Sun Country currently parks over at gate 5 right here, which is American as well. That hold room is really small. There's not a whole lot of seating there. They do fly out in the middle of the day though, so that kind of helps with things. It's a little bit less congested, but I would still like to see them move to 27. It's a nice big hold room. What I think they could do, since they're in the middle of the day, Sun Country's 27 in their kind of lunchtime flight, and then you could also give 27 to some overnights for the legacy carriers as well. Obviously, there's a lot of logistics that go into gate planning, such as GSE and other factors, but that would be kind of cool. We'll have to see what happens, though. I think gate 27 is going to be operational by summer, so we should get some answers pretty soon. Looking forward to it, but yeah, that's the, I guess we'll do the outro here, because that's where it is. So that is the Panda Models Sun Country 737-800 standard livery with splits. Highly recommend it. I think it's pretty good. It's not perfect, but it's definitely a really good substitute to have for now. So hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.